The all-new 2019 Bentley Continental GT lighter, quicker, and as yet pressing an astounding W12. The monstrous, 6.0-liter turbocharged W12 motor is new to the Continental GT, and imparted to the Bentayga. In the GT, it makes 626 HP and 664 pounds-feet of torque, a solid increment from the prior Auto's 582 HP and 531 pounds-feet of torque. The Auto's energy is pushed to the wheels by means of another dynamic all-wheel drive framework that spotlights on race wheel drive, however, much as could be expected, lessening the understeer regular in odd frameworks. An 8-speed double-grip transmission is likewise new, supplanting the prior 8-speed program. The Auto additionally includes a dynamic air suspension. This Continental GT will complete 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and has a best speed of 207 miles per hour, Bentley said. The smooth roadster gets an aluminum body that draws a considerable lot of its outline prompts from the EXP10 Speed 6 idea that appeared at the Geneva Car Expo in 2015. One arrangement of headlights stays unmistakable, while the outward match end up noticeably littler supplemental units. The tail lights transform from delicate rectangles into genuine ovals. More